Hi, my name is Osvaldo and I'm part of Mecha, and we are going to make Makerblock. So first thing first is opening the box, of course. Next, we have to grab all the materials. So we have the instruction book, this, and the tools in here. So first step is you will need your screwdriver, your chassis, 2 motors, 4 screws, and 4 nuts. Next is we're going to screw in the motor inside the chassis. After both motors are in, we do the wheels. After you have both wheels in, you will need a me-line follower, 2 screws, and a roller ball. Also to mention, when you put in the screws, remember to put it in the middle of the 3 holes. Also, looking at this blue mark, remember to put it in the inside. Next step will be having me ultrasonic sensor, 2 screws, and 4 brass studs. Next step is having 2 RJ25 cables. We will be putting one of them in the ultrasonic sensor and the me line follower. And when you have all the cables down, you put them through this hole. After that, next step, we'll be having the battery holder that they'll be using 4 AA batteries that is not included inside the box, and also a stickable Velcro. Okay, next up is having the M core and having 4 screws. Right before you put in the M core, you have to have two cables that is connected to the motor to the left side, and one the RJ25 that is connected to the line follower to the left side as well. The other RJ25 cable that is connected to the ultrasonic sensor is to the right side. So I'll be explaining which cables will be plugged in first. The right motor cable will be plugged in M2, right here. The left motor will be plugged in M1 for this cable. The line follower cable will be plugged in port 2. The ultrasonic sensor cable will be plugged in port 3. The last cable will be the battery cable or charger cable. That will be plugged in at the back, like so. The next step will be the Bluetooth. They will be plugged in here, of these two ports. The last step is having a watch battery for the remote. And the on-off switch. One important thing about the remote is you have to point it at the mbot to move. A really important, interesting fact is the 3 letters on top, A, B, and C. B, first thing first, is B. B is just going forward, like so. And A is freezing. Also, another interesting fact is C. C actually has a sensor for the trap. So. And that is the end of this video.